Hi everyone, welcome back to my property analysis series. In my previous episodes, I have shared my thoughts on Amber Park's 1 and 2 bedroom unit types. Today, I'll be sharing my thoughts on Amber Park's 3 bedroom. Just a recap, Amber Park is a freehold condominium and is a 3 minutes walk from the future Tanjong Katong MRT. It's a new launch, so it's due to TOP in 2023. The entire development consists of 592 residential units, from 1+ study to 6-bedroom penthouses. So today's sharing will be based on 3 key factors. First, market opportunity. Second, the layout and the entry price. And third, the power of big land plot. Of course, this sharing will be based on what's currently available in the market. Should there be any price increment or any new land that's upcoming, we will need to re-evaluate again. So let's talk about the first factor, which is on market opportunity. If you have been keeping up with the property news, you will have known that new lands are getting more expensive and the supply of private homes are getting lesser. And this is why integrated projects such as Pasir Ris 8 was able to hike up its prices multiple times on the first day of launch. The highest it was transacted is at 2,000 PSF. This has caused many developers to think that they have underpriced their projects, and therefore several projects have implemented a higher price. While this happened, prices of Amber Park still remain the same since day one. For context, Amber Park was launched in May 2019 at an average of 2004 PSF. That was 2 years ago. Today, the project is already close to 80% sold, yet its selling price remained the same at 2,400 PSF. If we were to narrow down to 3-bedroom pricing, there is in fact a slight dip. This presents an opportunity for buyers who are keen to purchase a 3-bedroom here. Based on what's available at this time of filming, there are 3-bedroom units going for as low as 2,200 PSF, which is super close to developers' break-even price of 2,171 PSF. So please grab it before it's gone. Now on to the second factor, which is on the layout and entry price. For Amber Park's 3-bedroom, there are 2 different sizes, 947 square feet and 1,109 square feet. The smaller 3-bedroom is located on stack 4 and 14, facing the condo's entrance. The biggest 3-bedroom are located on stack 1, 11 and 21, facing the pool. The main difference between these 2 layouts is with the utility room, and based on the current pricing, this utility room will cost you minimally 400,000 to $500,000. Honestly, this is too huge a price gap, and it will be extremely challenging to close this gap in the resale market, regardless how functional this layout can be. Therefore, we can place our focus on the smaller 3-bedroom. The smaller 3-bedroom are located on stack 4 and 14, and there are more than a handful of units on these stacks that are available for sale currently. Stack 4 has a price premium because it has sea view, so its asking price is approximately 150,000 more than stack 14 if we base on a level-to-level comparison. No doubt the sea view will be able to command a premium price in the resale market, but the overall margin will not be as much as the entrance-facing unit because the entrance-facing unit has a lower entry price. Therefore, I will still opt for the entrance-facing, smaller 3-bedroom unit type instead. Last but not least, we will touch on the third factor, which is on the power of big land plot. Based on Amber Park's 3-bedroom selling price right now, buyers can also go for the 3 bedrooms at Nayon or Coastline Residence. Both projects are within 1 kilometer from the future Tanjong Katong MRT and offers better layout than Amber Park's 3-bedroom in terms of bigger master bedroom, and there is additional utility and yard space. But the only downside is that both Nayon and Coastline Residence sit on small land plots. Do you know, buyers are more willing to pay a price premium for developments with big land plot? Big land plot offers amenities which small-sized condo is not able to offer, right down to the simplest things such as parking lots. Small land plots tend to have infrequent transactions and higher management fee. As there isn't any comparable development surrounding Amber Park, so I will show you an example that is in Bukit Timah area. This is Selanting Green and this is Signature Park. Signature Park's land size is 19 times bigger than Selanting Green. Both are freehold, both TOP in 1998. But as of today, Selanting Green's average transaction price is at 1,000 PSF, whereas Signature Park is transacting at an average of 1,300 PSF. Buyers are seen to be paying a price premium of 28% for big land plot. The very fact that Amber Park sits on a land that is over 200,000 square feet places it in a very good position because there is no other such supply in the immediate area. Furthermore, it's also walking distance to an MRT. I think that the growth will be exponential so long the buyer have got holding power. Therefore, my advice for buyers who are looking to purchase a 3-bedroom here is to proceed, but only the smaller 3-bedroom. As for sellers, the key to profit from this development is to have holding power. There is no need to rush to sell upon TOP. So, above are my thoughts based on the current availability for Amber Park's 3-bedroom unit types. If there is a certain project that you wish for me to review on, please leave a comment in the section below. Meanwhile, please like and subscribe to us so that you can be alert when the next video is out. See ya!